is going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be playing Survive the Killer Winter Update. And so we got like some sort of werewolf guy there. That's like maybe one of the maps, another map. Alright, well, I've played this game before, but I just want to make a video of it, because some games I've played before, I never made a, oh my god, is that the singing slasher? Alright, wait, I'm in the match. Oh wow. Alright, got the coin. Alright, we gotta be really careful too. Ooh, gas tank. Can I hide up here? That doesn't seem like it's possible. And plus, I got wings too, dude. I got wings. Alright, we got 1 minute and 30 seconds till the exit's open, though, too. Can we deal with this? I don't want to buy it. Other people are in the match. Right, this is actually really scary. Oh my no! Can I escape, please? No! Oh no, I wasn't able to escape. Wasn't able to escape. Alright, you know, let's pick a different killer. So we got, let's just do me. Knives? This one costs 50 coins. Yay! I got a new knife. Alright, well, anyways, I feel like you can climb this tree. I've done it before, and I feel like it's possible. But I had a gas can, too. Yeah, they really have updated this. Ooh, a sled, what the? Oh, okay. I don't know what happened to you. Nice stuff. Vote on next map. Alright, you guys vote. I'll go look around to see if there's any cool new stuff around. Loading happy neighborhood. Oh, okay. Loading happy neighborhood. Oh god. T-boy. Oh no, it's Slender! No! Slender Man. Slenderman's really... I don't like Slenderman at all. Wait a minute. Oh, he's here. I'm hiding. Can I get... Oh, wow. Yes. I'm on here. But now what? Because if I hide, my wings are shown. That's not good. That wasn't far. It's only right there. Oh, so... Oh! God, that's Slender! Oh my god, there's an exit here! I'm Here's a good spot to hide. This should be a good spot to hide, right? Oh god, if I die, I'm gonna be so mad. Because I have wings, though. I got wings. The problem is I have wings, and it's easy to be my wings are easy to get shown. So I gotta be careful. Someone's killed. Is there someone in here? No, there's not. Dang it. Alright, well, that's not good. I'm only at level 7, though. Exit's open in 2 minutes. I can't go over there. It's gonna be too bad. What are you doing? No! No, a slither! Run! I saw him, guys. Alright, this is a good hiding spot. I like it. Great. Made it till the exit's open. Alright, guys, this is very hard, but I'm doing okay, actually. I'm actually kind of proud. It's hard, though, too. Very, very hard. Okay, now I'm ditching it. Whoa, what is this place? It's so rusty. What happened here? Does anyone know? Oh, gas can. Take that. Alright, got the gas can. Let's get out of here. Okay, jump down. I also know where there's an exit. So, there's an exit somewhere around there. Right? Yep, right there. There's an exit. Exit's open. Go! Yay! I escaped! Yay! Alright. Go. Perfect! T-boy. T-boy. Alright. Three times. How much is this? Yes. Oh, I don't have enough robots. No, I want to be the killer. Vote on next month. Alright. Night school. I want night school. Oh, we're going to Rural Marsh. Please me. Me. T-boy again. It's him again. I mean, he's not really good at being the killer, so I think we're okay. Alright. Great. Where am I gonna hide? Wait, is it possible to hide in there? I want to say yes. Nope, it's not. Alright. This looks like a good spot to hide. Over here. Oh god. Someone's already dying. Let's just collect the coins. What the heck happened to you? Oh, you're okay. Alright, I got those coins. Let's get this one. Yeah. Ooh, gas can! Got it. That. Alright. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. His. Oh! Wait, hold on. Hold up. I want to say yes, this is possible, but I don't think it is. Oh no! Okay, it's not possible. I don't think it's possible. I'm not. I would have jumped on there instantly, but I didn't, so I don't think it's possible. Alright, let's go. Killer's close. When you see that red screen, the killer's close. Not good. Alright. Got 3 minutes. No! Please don't get hit. No! 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 Get that dude! Ah, no! Dudes! Help me! Oh, yes! I'm okay! What the? I can't. Oh. That was nuts. Two minutes. Uh-oh. No, 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 no! Oh boy. We got a minute left to escape. Yes, we did it! We can't revive that person. Yes, we can. Okay, we did that. Oh, guys, I'm not gonna be able to do this. I'm gonna get chased about it in a minute here, so I think I'm gonna end it. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.